Hey, what's up everyone? This is Silver Slayer. Thank you for tuning into this video. If you get a box that looks like this, and it says it's coming from Oklahoma City, that means it's coming from the one and only Apmex. So today we're doing an Apmex unboxing, and I actually have several other unboxings I should be uploading within the next week or so. And this unboxing is special because I'll show you what's inside and why I'm really excited about these coins. So without further ado, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe. I post daily videos. So I don't have scissors with me today, so I'm just going to have to kind of go caveman style and rip it open. When I used to start off watching these videos, or when I started watching silver stacking videos, I really enjoyed unboxings. It was almost like ASMR, right? You know, just the feeling of when it arrives, it's like Christmas, and then you see the silver inside, and it's really relaxing in my opinion. I could just watch hours and hours on end of unboxing videos, and it also motivated me to really want to buy silver and, you know, get the certain types of coins that they would have as well. So anyways, oh, by the way, check out my Apmex gold bar they sent me with some silver forum buttons. You know, they sponsored my last giveaway, so shout out to the silver forum. Okay, we got it open. Take out the invoice. Okay, so first coin is a 2017 Panda. And this is because you're seeing this Panda because I purchased the 1 ounce or the 30 gram random year Pandas. I bought, I think 3 or 4 of those, and then I'll show you. I'll just take out the coins as they go. So from the random year Pandas, which is a really good deal because you can get them for around the same price as most other coins, and it's actually cheaper than other Pandas. So you're definitely getting your lowest price Pandas if you do this deal. So the next coin we have is the Year of the Goat, the Rwanda Lunar Series 2. My favorite series. If you saw any of my unboxings previously, I've been slowly collecting the Lunar Series. So I'm really excited to have that one. And now we have the Lunar Series 2, Year of the Dog. So if you get the gist of where I'm going with this, I'm trying to stack or collect every single year of the Lunar Series 2. It is by far the most collectible, most beautiful series that is in the world of silver. The next closest thing would be the Queen's Beast series, but Lunar Series 2 is much older. And I think that in the long run, these will be worth more, much faster than those as well. So anyways, now we have another 2017 Panda. So usually when you do the 1 ounce random Pandas, you usually get 2017 coins, or the 2017 Pandas. So, oh yeah, I got another, I forgot about this coin. So let me show you guys this coin real quick. This is a new coin that just came out, and there's a pretty low mintage. Let me open it up. I'm actually taking it out of the wrapper for this, because when I saw this, I really was excited to show you guys this coin. So this is the back, but here it is. The Quaka. It's a 2020 coin. I don't know if it's going to be starting a series or not, but very low mintage number. And it's from Perth Mint, so one of the most respectable dealers. So I was really excited about this. I wanted to see what it looked like in person before, and I kind of want to do some more research if I really did want to start collecting these heavily, because I do see potential. Anytime I'm looking at a coin, and I'm trying to see if how much that coin will be worth in the future, I'm looking at a number of different things. You know, which mint is making it, and Perth Mint is one of the most respectable, reputable mints out there, so checks that box. Low mintage numbers. I don't remember exactly what the mintage numbers was. I think it was around the same as Kookaburra, so 3 to 500,000. And it looks beautiful as well, so checks all 3 boxes for how a coin can appreciate. So next we have the Year of the Monkey, the Lunar Series 2. As you can see, just another one into my collection. And then we have one last one, which is another 2017 Panda. So 3 2017 Pandas. We got 3 of the Lunar Series, and then we got this quokka thingy, whatever it's called. So, if you enjoy this video and you like unboxings, if they relax you, if you think they're motivating, if you just like seeing different types of coins in person instead of on their site, like the video. Like I said, this isn't all the silver that's done. I have, I think, 2 or 3 other unboxings that are actually, I think, bigger than this on the way. So you want to stay tuned. If you like the Lunar series, let me know. I absolutely love this series. I think I already have the Year of the Chicken, the Year of the Snake, and the Year of the Dragon. So I already have those 3. So now I'm one step closer to completing every single year of the Lunar series. I'm really, really excited about this because when I started out stacking, like as a beginner stacker, the Lunar series was by far the most intimidating series out. You know, all the coins were extremely expensive. They looked really cool. You kind of had to understand the market to know which prices were worth what. And Apmex actually has the lowest prices for the Lunar series, especially for these specific coins. I've looked everywhere else, and Apmex has extremely good deals for Lunar series too. Now, every place, there is no Walmart of precious metal stacking. Apmex might have the best prices for these Lunar series, but SD Bullion might have the best prices for kookaburras, but Provident Metals might have the best prices for pandas. Every place has different prices, and they vary between. There's not one place that just has the lowest prices of each coin. That's impossible. That's not how it works. So if you do know which specific coin you want to buy, look around. And that's why my next unboxing is going to be a little bit different than this one, because there's some other coins that I found from SD Bullion, which is that's the place, and I'm excited. And I also found another individual specific coin, a very, very expensive coin that'll also be unboxing probably within, I think it's going to come within the next week. But that coin itself was extremely expensive. I'm talking about over $150, but it's definitely worth it. You guys will see why. So anyways, let me know what your favorite coin was. Let me know, what you think about this. Actually, I think the Year of the Monkey, see, this is the thing. Yeah, Year of the Monkey's 2016, Year of the Goat is 2015, Year of the Dog 2018. So, and then I have the Dragon, which I'm pretty sure is 2012. The Chicken, which is 2017, I know that. Or the Rooster, because I always go by the Rwanda series. Oh, and by the way, the Rwanda series is probably the other series that reminds me of this the most, because of just how good the coins look and how much or how fast they appreciate. So I'm definitely going to keep my eye on a lot of the Rwanda series coins. If you don't know, the Rwanda series came out a couple of years ago, and now they actually started like a new series, but the older ones didn't look as good. But now if you see like the 2017 Rwanda Rooster, or even the newer ones, the 2018's the Dog, it looks absolutely phenomenal. I've never seen a coin. I guess I could bust open my I have to go dig out my silver and show you what the coin looks like, but I'm sure you've seen it on my channel before. I've never seen a coin that looks like that, the different finishings, and it really does remind me of these, because this has that matte finish, and it also, it makes the monkey pop. It makes, the detail on the coin just look oh so much sweeter, and it definitely has that wow factor to it. And I think that's very, very important when you're looking at when you're looking at silver, the wow factor, because even if you're not a stacker, even if you're not in the world of precious metals and you saw these coins, I'm sure you could tell which ones are the most expensive, right? Just looking at this pile of silver, you'd be able to tell, even if you didn't know silver at all, you could tell which were the most expensive coins, right? And that's an important thing to note. And when we're looking at collectability, the collector value, the potential of these coins, that's a big factor. How good they look. Some coins could purely appreciate or become collectible just off how good they look, kind of like the Rwanda series, the Silver Swans, the Krugerrands. Those coins, they don't have low mintage numbers. The Rwanda series doesn't have low mintage numbers, but the sheer factor of how cool the coin looks is what drives most of its value. Where other coins like kookaburras or pandas, where they don't really look all that crazy. I mean, yeah, the design changes every year, but since there's lower mintage numbers and the reputable mints, they become collectible. So anyways, I'm just kind of trying to get you to understand the mind state, how I look for collectible coins, and why I purchase these coins. If I do collect every year of the Lunar Series 2, I'm gonna be extremely happy. I might go to, I don't know, I might go to the Queen's Beast next, because after I was the first one of the first people that started stacking the Queen's Beast series on this on YouTube in period, you know, in general, right? I was the first one, and then I started collecting it. I went into the gold version. If you guys remember, a couple of years ago or last year, I started buying the gold version, the 4th ounce, and then I kind of pulled away from Queen's Beast. They started to gain too much hype. I think got overpriced, and I just didn't think it was worth it. When the Queen's Beast series first came out, they were, you know, especially with like the 1 and the 2 ounce, they weren't too crazy over spot. But now you can't even find any of the coins online anywhere, and if they are online being sold somewhere, they're just extremely overpriced in my opinion. So that's one of those unfortunate things where it's kind of like, you know, if you got in while the getting was good, then good, but to get in right now, to try to enter into that type of market, being, you know, from a later date, it's not worth it. And that's almost where the Lunar series is going right now. Since these coins, they're like at a perfect price where they're not too expensive, where like you're just throwing your money away, because the coins have had some time to appreciate, especially the 2012s, but there's still that sweet spot where they're still cheap enough where you can afford it. And if you hold on to these coins for another 10, 15 years, the prices are going to be astronomical compared to what they are now. And that's kind of my mindset behind that. Yes, I could have got a lot more silver for, you know, for the price, but honestly, right now, I really think that where my stack is, I want to work on this. If the price of silver keeps going downwards, probably around this $22, $21, you know, range or this level, I'll probably start buying more stuff closer to bullion, probably American Eagles, maybe some, maybe Maple Leafs. A lot of those milk spot on me, but probably a lot of American Eagles, just to lower my dollar per ounce average. Right now, it really depends what's up in the air. If you watched my video I posted earlier today, you will know why. And that's because several different factors are going to be influencing the direction of silver's price in the next couple of weeks and months. So that sometimes the best thing to do is hold. You don't always have to be buying. Sometimes you don't always have to be buying, selling, or trading. Sometimes the best thing to do is hold and kind of just observe the market and then go from there after you see the results. But I definitely went into a little buying frenzy this last couple of days, and here's the results of it. So let me know what you think. Make sure to smash the like button. This was Silver Slayer. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.